Okay, we're over at house number 2. It's just next door to the last one we just did. Right there, where the newer houses are. So the developer obviously bought both of these houses. They also have a big garbage bin here. And here's the open door. Again, entering through the garage. Nothing but studs. But I did see people living here in the spring, so it was vacated only probably about a month ago. There's a smell of the wood and the plywood again. There's the backing still on there. And that's been dug up. Hear how hollow the floors are, though, in these 70s, 80s build houses. Like I said, in the last house, I think it's just the carpeting. Once they put the carpeting over that, the hollow sound kind of disappears. There's still wallpaper and some gyprock here. They haven't got to that yet. Definitely would have been a nice house when it was first built. Okay, you can go 2, 3, 4, 5 different directions here. Let's go this way first. It's looking out back. Again, you see the newer houses. I don't know if they're putting a condo high-rise here or extending that subdivision. But even though this was, relatively new, 70s, 80s type house, I still like to document them before they knock them down. What's this? Looks like some sort of a garden fertilizer. Oh, this must have been the laundry room. Basement. Okay, I don't know if this would have been a bedroom or a living room. That's looking out to the front porch. Looks like they use that for a table. One of those rolls that hold the cable. It's just kind of laying on its side there. You look across the road, you can see the construction and all the houses in behind it. Okay, and here's the foyer. Front door isn't very fancy, but oh look, they jammed a chair up against there. It's like older style wallpaper. Yeah, it was about I'd say a month or 2 ago that I was by here, and I saw an older lady and what appeared to be a male about as young as maybe her grandson, and someone was dropping them off and they walked up to the house. So they were living here then. Looks like a bathroom. But obviously not anymore. Okay, why don't we go upstairs before we do the basement? Must have been the doorbell. It's like a leopard design. You see the tore up some rug here, old shag. Okay. Bedroom number 1. Not much to it. Just plywood floors again. Because that's just how they built them. And how they're still being built today. Obviously a bathroom. Be careful here because there's no banister. Linen closet. And bedroom number 2. Nice windows. Here's a couple of postcards. Just of Ontario. Science World, British Columbia. Well, this is different. Like a wax type paper down below whatever flooring they had in here, like the carpet. Just get a look at the floor. There's another bathroom straight ahead. It's funny, just like the last one, the toilet is in the bathtub. Bedroom number 3. I mean, does that make you guys dizzy? It does me. Look at it. Plays games with your eyes. I would not want to stay in a room with wallpaper like that. Hear how creaky the floors are? It has a very long driveway, as you can see. So this is 4 bedrooms. And it looks like they're still salvaging the, it looks like gyprock out of this one. Now let's head to the basement. Okay, here's the basement. I've got my flashlight ready in case I need it. Doesn't look as wet. It's not wet like the last one. Just has a musty smell to it. Looks like they did some weightlifting. I noticed a couple of these at the next house beside here, or the last house I should say, beside here. So either they were both into weightlifting or somebody took those and threw them over there. Oh, here's cable for the TV. It's been cut. And I'll give you a look at the electrical panel. And that's all been cut. Definitely no electricity left here. Okay, on to the third house. See you guys there.